Hi traders, this is Partiban and I'm continuing back my trading ideas after about a month time. Okay, today's trading ideas. Today is 8 August 2017 about 5:30 p.m. Okay, for Euro USD, if you analyze on daily chart, market have moved almost 1300 pips. So there was no real full correction. Market was just advancing up. So at the moment I do see a good reversal sign here. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to manage taking advantage before the bear market initiate. So I'm going to start selling at this area with a confirmation, and I'm going to place my stop loss above this entire price action context. So if market move further down, then I have advantage of, like, let's say this is about 100 pips, I have advantage of 300 to 400 pips advantage profit. So please observe this area, and the major key level for Euro USD is at 1.13050. So there are potential for market to reach this level. Okay, this is what I see for Euro USD. USD Swiss franc, um, it's kind of range market at the moment, but for short term probably you can go short here and wait for the market to reach this level. That's what I can see for USD Swiss franc. And GBP USD, it's interesting. It's a very clear price action story where you see a very nice rise, correction, up, correction, up, correction. So what I see at the moment, this is the lowest price, the key levels over here, slightly lower, yeah, correct. So what market can do is a small pullback and reach this level. Because why I say that, probably you might think market have created high, low, high, low, high, low. But what I say is whatever happens in the past, like 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 11, 12 days, was erased by two single days price action. So these entire things are already erased by the bears, and for the market to reverse back, it might take another 2 weeks. So what I see over here is a very good downtrend signal. So I'll look for some selling signal, selling confirmation to go short on pound sterling dollar. And USD JPY, um, actually this is a very good valid key level. So what I will do is any pullback with a confirmation, I'll become a buyer. I see more uptrend for this dollar yen. Okay, and USD CAD is a very interesting price action story. Market have reversed. It has dropped almost 1300 pips. You see, almost 1300 pips, and now it's reversing. So this is the next key level, and this is the okay. What I'll do is I'll buy at any pullback, and then this is my target 1.2862. So I'm targeting at this area. Australia dollar, it's interesting, yeah. A lot of people think this is a downtrend. Not yet downtrend, because market is ranging at the moment. If you ask me, a lot of buyers will become active at this zone. So become a buyer to bring the price high. So what I see, if at all the price drop below and retest, I'll become a seller. Or if the price reach up to this level, I'll become a seller too, because this is a good price to go short. Okay, And New Zealand dollar, I think a lot of my students take profit on this trade. Okay, New Zealand dollar, if you ask me, this is good. Could actually clear uptrend. If you see market try to break, fail, try to break, fail, broke, retesting. So actually, you can look for good buying opportunity to advance up. But what in the weekly chart is so much clearer. So in weekly chart, this is a very solid resistance area, which becoming support at this level. So what I say is a good rejection and then price to go up higher. And Euro GBP, if you see, I think last week I took a trade on this. It's a very clear uptrend. Yeah, very clear uptrend. Market tried to break, failed, penetrated, retest, 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 advance. So it's heading towards the previous high. So I've placed my take profit somewhere about 230 pips. So at this trade is like a zero risk for me, where I already break even my trade and it's already uptrend. So I'll just forget this trade. I'll allow the profit to grow. Okay. Aussie New Zealand dollar. Um, okay, this is a quite good resistance area. This area, 1.08108. So I'll look for some selling opportunity at this area to go short. I do see a good sellers placing orders here. Okay, and how about gold? Okay, gold is a lot of traders favorite. Okay, this is where I place my key level, and the concept that I'm going to say is, I do teach key level identification price action. So a lot of traders place their resistance at this area and their support at this area. Let me mark that. Support, support. Okay, this is the support, and they place their resistance at this area. Resistance. But what we do is we identify something called key level, which is very important. Where what I see is price to reach this area not so soon. I do see a correction in gold, where market might pull back up to this area. What is the price of this? 1262, 1200. So 1263. So once price reach this level, I will look to go short and bring the price down, because you see it's very simple in gold. uh, Earlier, this is how the price reacts. Earlier price reacted once bearish market ends at this level. A lot of buyers picked the price and they found a resistance at this area. Same goes here. Once the bearish market ends here, the bull market brought the price here. So what I see is a congestion of price which is similar to this. So I do see area to go short, and then once market drop, I'll become a buyer. So I'm looking at congestion. Then once it's done, then price will bleed up to this level. So not so soon. That's the message for gold, and I don't see any opportunity to go short at the moment. I'm looking at this area. And GBP Audi. Actually, you can go short now. If you want a better risk reward ratio, you should wait for the price to reach higher, then go short here. This is a very clear downtrend. Why I say downtrend? Because you see this key level 1.66559, market tried to break, failed, penetrated, retest, it's advancing down. So this is a very clean price action story. And those who are following up with my trading ideas, please do subscribe my page, Forex Live Trading Consultancy in Facebook. I've I've given out the art of making 1,000 pips, price action by Partiban. So I've given a 20 I've given about 20 trading ideas example here, and 5 video links. So hope you guys like my page and drop me your email address. I'll love to send this via email. So this will give you guys a better idea what is price action all about. Okay guys.